Hi, my name is Grant Steinfeld, and I'm here today to show you how to write unit tests to incorporate new functionality. Hi, I'm Grant Steinfeld. I'm here to show you today how new functionality, which has been requested, is incorporated in test-driven development and augmented with hot testing reload. So the basic functionality is when we ask for a currency, if we pass in a currency code like United States dollars, we expect it to return back at least one country, which would be United States. But however, United States dollars is used across many different countries. So we want to return back an array of countries. So this is the new functionality we're going to do. So as with all test-driven development, we started our tests. So we'll go ahead and take a look at our first test here that says basically if we pass in ZAR, which is South African rands, as you can probably tell, I'm from South Africa based on my accent, and it returns back the country South Africa. So we'll go ahead and we'll run the tests using the npm run test watch. So this is running the Jest test watch runner, and you can see everything is passing. So we're going to now go ahead and do test-driven development and change a few things. First, we'll fix our spelling mistake. So get currency name and country names, given country names in a list, given a well-named country code that does exist for one country. As far as I know, South African rands are not accepted anywhere else. Just save it. Notice my save, everything ran, test passed. All right, so that's good. So let's see now whether it comes back as a list. And we don't expect it to because we haven't changed our code yet, but we do expect to see a broken test. So great, new functionality is breaking our tests. It expects to see an array of South Africa in it, single array, but it returns back just the word South Africa. So let's go ahead now and update our code. So here's our function where we pass in the currency code, and we need to pass back the data with one or more countries in the list. So let's just start out in the first case. So what we'll do is we'll say country row dot country name is equal to country node and country name. We'll save that. So it's saying the country name is undefined. Okay, so it's actually just country. So again, my unit tests are actually driving my coding. And all tests pass. Great. So we've gone ahead. We've done our first test is passing. So we pass in the first case. So we'll just say get fixed country request to a list. Fixed country. So this is like a feature request, right? So great. So we've just committed that. And let's go on and continue with our testing. So we'll clear this window. We'll start up our test runner. And we press A, all tests are passing. So now we're going to go ahead and create another test to handle the feature request where we noticed errors because a certain country code, in our case, US dollars, should return back more than one. And we'll save that. And we see it passes. And I correct myself. We see that it actually fails. So we expected to see United States, but we get back American Samoa. Okay, so there's more than one country that uses United States dollars. So let's add that to our test. So this would be American Samoa. We'll save that. So now, notice it's only returning back United States, not American Samoa. So it turns out there's more than one country that has this data. So let's go just have a peek through the data. We would for a second. It's a bit of a pain to see it in here. So what we'll do is we'll open up a terminal. And we'll cd to data, and we will do cat country code CSV, and we just want to grep US dollars. Oh, all right. So there seems to be a fair amount of countries that use it. All right, I forget how to count on the command line. But at any rate, you can see a little more work needs to be done in pulling back all the countries that use US dollars. So this is just a simple example of how test-driven development and hot code reloading actually makes us more productive. Thanks for watching.